Hi 326 Express. Hi Donna. I'm in a fix and I need your help. I'm a 35-year-old man who just got out of prison. I had the habit of hitting my wife for touching my phone or even cooking relish without meat, of which I would not have given her money. At one point, she got hospitalized. She reported me to the police and I was sentenced to 2 years in prison for domestic violence. During my time in Mukati, I really learned my lesson never to lay a hand on a woman. Got out of prison a few months ago. And to tell you the truth, I was super excited to reunite with my family and friends. But the story is very different. My wife has turned her back on me. She says she'll never forgive me and she actually wants a divorce. She thinks I'm the same man I was before I went to jail. Even though I keep telling her kuti ndachinja. My son won't talk to me because Argutanzi still remembers me as a violent dad. At the moment, I have no source of income and my criminal record makes it much difficult kuti ndiwane basi. I lost my contact with most of my friends. They don't want to talk to me. And the community at large is segregating me because they do not want to associate themselves with someone angambo kujeri. I want my family back. I want my old life back. Ndoita say, please help.